Ano ba yung kali? Now we are going to do the range of motion. Hawak ka dito sa edge ng chair. Then next is hahawak ka sa kabilang paa. Go. Go sir. Hawak sa kabilang paa. Kaliwang left hand hawak sa end. Go. Okay. Next it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Thank you. Next naman is our passive room. Mr. Roger. Ngayon naman, ang gagawin natin ay active assistive room. Gagawin natin ay hawakan mo itong dalawang feet, then ilalakad mo lang magkabila. Bababa, ilalakad magkabila. Lapit ka dito. Lapit ko kayo dito, Mr. Roger. Lapit dito. Turong ka. Ayan. Magkabila mo ano. Magkabila. Straight ulit. Straight. 1, 2, 3, baba. Angat ulit. 1, 2, 3, baba. Susunod naman ay flexion, extension, and hyperextension exercise. Gagawin mo lang, iangat yung ulo. Angat, tingala. 1, 2, 3, baba. Yuko. 1, 2, 3, angat ulo. 1, 2, 3, baba. 1, 2, 3, angat ulo. Ang susunod naman natin ay side flexion. Ready ka na? Patagilid. Ganun o. 1, 2, 3, kabila. Balik. Kabila naman. 1, 2, 3. Balik. Kabila. 1, 2, 3. Balik. Kabila. 1, kabila. Kaliwa. 1, 2, 3. Next naman ay trunk. Ang gagawin lang po natin dito ay magbe-bend paharap. Bend paharap. Bend paharap po. Yan. 1, 2, 3. Balik. Bend palikod. Parang stretching. Bend palikod. 1, 2, 3. Balik. Bend paharap. 1, 2, 3. Balik. Good afternoon, Mr. J.J. I am Mr. Joy Flores, your caregiver for today. Now we are going to do the range of motion exercise, the upper extremities. Now we are going to do the side flexion. Now you're going to bend your body and your right hand reaching the other side. Open the feet. There you go. Then reach the other side. Like this. Bend your body. Bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, the other side. Give me your best bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we are going to do the range of motion of shoulder. Now you are going to bend your, straight your hand like this. Let's count 1, 2, 3. Go 1, 2, 3. Put it down. And then forward. 1, 2, 3. Next, right side. 1, 2, 3. Again, forward. 1, 2, 3. Now, 1, 2, 3. Down. Forward. 1, 2, 3. Down. Left side. 1, 2, 3. Down. And then forward. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Next is the internal and external rotation. Now do this. Let's count 1 to 4. Go to us. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. 1, 2, 3. This is the flexion and extension of the elbow. Do this. Straight your hand. Then hold this. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Straight. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Straight. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. For your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we have flexion and extension, radial and ulnar deviation. We're going to do this with your hands. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another hand. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. Right. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we have flexion and extension. Do this to your hand. The left one is supporting the other hand while it is closed. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Now open your closed hand. 1, 2, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, close your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then open. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another hand. Close your hand. 1, 2, 3. Like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the abduction and abduction. Open your hand. Let's do it with your both hands. Open Open your hands and close your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the flexion and extension, abduction and adduction, opposition and reposition. Do your hands like this. Do it with your both hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then outside. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your, dito yung palm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another one. Sa loob. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sa labas. Gitna. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then labas. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hawakan yung palm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yung laliit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then balik. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, now we are going to range of motion exercise the lower extremities. Now the foot flexion. 1, 2, 3, 4. Likod. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gilid. 1, 2, 3, 4. Balik. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kabila. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Talikod. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Balik. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's have the flexion and extension of the knee. So this, 1. Your feet together then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kabila. Ito ka muna. 1. Kabila. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Na up, down, kita. Up, down, left, right. Up, down, left, right. Another feet. Up, down, left, left, right.
Left, right.
Up, down, left, right. Up, down, left, right. The flexion and extension, abduction and adduction of the toe. Do this. Toe up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Toe down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Toe up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Toe down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another one. And that's our range of motion for today. Once again, I am caregiver Christine Joy Flores and my patient named JJ. That's it. Thank you.